Hi, welcome to Ryan and Claire's World of Fun. Have you checked out our pumpkin bread video? So today we're going to use the same pumpkin bread recipe. So we're going to create something that's really fun. Alright, let's get started. Detailed recipe link is in description. Go check it out. So we mix everything up in a large bowl, cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Then we knead it with this kitchen master for 10 minutes. Let it rest in a warm place until it doubled in size. I mean, let it rise. Oh, the dough was so soft, so satisfying. We cut out a little bit of dough and leave it on the side. Keep watching, find out what we're going to use this for. I watched my mum doing it once, then I know how to do it straight away. I'm pro. We roll the dough flat and put some Nutella in. And then close it up, like making a dumpling. So we roll it over and turn it to a backwards L shape or I shape. So the little piece of dough we cut out, so we make them into antennas. Let it prove again. Brush some lines on the bottom half of the bread. Ooh, we're getting there. Yes, we made yellow lava. We love this show so much. It's so funny. And they do look really yummy. Hi guys, did you like our lava bread? Today I'm gonna try and make SpongeBob SquarePants. It might work, it might not. Wish me luck. Who's yellow who lives under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Who's yellow who lives under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. So we had this idea, we're gonna make some arms and some legs for SpongeBob as well. Who's yellow, who lives on the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Don't know if it'll work or not, but we'll give it a try. Oops, some of them turned to brown. Seriously guys, look at how cute they are and delicious. So basically, they're pumpkin bread, melted chocolate and M&Ms. They make me smile just looking at them. Hope this makes you smile. I'm a goofy goober, yeah. You're a goofy goober, yeah. We're all goofy goobers, yeah. Goof, goof, goofy, yeah! Thanks for watching. Bye!